It's the middle of the night, 4 o'clock in the morning or so. Here's my windows. You can see the little light over there. Why is there light through the windows at 4 o'clock in the morning? And why are the birds chirping so loud? I'll tell you why. Let's open the window. Open the curtains. Look at this, 4 o'clock in the morning. Same living room. All I have to do is open the curtains, and this big light is shining, and the birds are confused. That's all their light right there. See how dark the sky is? 4 o'clock in the morning. I kid you not. You hear how loud those birds are? I can't even sleep because the birds are so loud. Beautiful, but it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm exhausted, and the birds are confused because of this damn light. You don't believe me? Look at how dark it is out here. It's freaking pitch dark. It's 4 o'clock in the morning.